Are you trying to launch your virtual machine? Ready to get to work or test some new software? Only to be stopped dead in your track by this frustrating error. You can see in this error message they said a reference memory at the memory could not be written. Click OK to terminate the program. Now I'm going to show you how to fix this error. This method is very simple and easy. In the left side, you can see the aborted saved a message. Just click on right button and discard saved state and discard it from here. And simply click on start to check this error message removed or not. Now we have to wait a moment for restart this. Now VirtualBox is currently running without any seeing error. So I hope you like this video. Do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.